Okay, let's go.
Get over to your material, marking 10.5 and 13 inches. I just always use the material that I'm using, and I make my marks on the back side. For the height, I'm gonna set it where it goes, bump it into my box, and I'm gonna mark it. Now, these marks are way over here. I want them over here. It's no big deal. I'm just gonna take my square. We're gonna square off the marks for side to side. And then what I do is just find my nearest scribe line, which in this case is 1.25 inches. 5 inches. And boom, I've got my cutout. I'll go cut it out and we'll see if it worked. Wow. Here we go.